is a hit tracks. We have a hit tracks at the gym that where Noah goes and hits. So it records, has video, it records exit velo, all kind, any data you want from the swing and hit, it has. And he's, you know, he's hitting the ball well. He's hitting the ball hard, harder and better than ever. And again, you know, he's not done anything different. Quite frankly, he hasn't done anything over the last 3 months before he got his brace off.
Right.
But I would have to say, and this is not, look, I'm very hard on Noah and form and kind of a perfectionist when it comes to the swing and stuff. But I would have to say the proprioception is way better. There are things that he struggled with before he got injured and before we started doing this, just body awareness wise, that he's as soon as his injury was done and he was back hitting, within a couple of times going out and hitting, he's cleaning up things that were a long time struggle for him before. And again, we haven't
really practiced hitting.
Right. No, I think to what you said, and I'm going to buy into it, because I think you potentially proprioception wise and just, you know, all this, I don't know, even from a layman standpoint, everything that we're doing here, I think is, even if I didn't understand or try to understand what you said, you can just see like more athleticism building in him. And again, there's deeper meaning, deeper roots to that, what's going on. But just on the surface level, yes, we've been very pleased. It has not been perfect as we've been running over this time period, right? So I think from just the fascial training, he's not had any issues with his knee and his heels, which is phenomenal. But watching him run like yesterday and doing the 100-meter and watching how much smoother it was because the gait was better, man, you know, just thinking about him running with his prior gait, and every time we came back from a baseball game, like he could barely walk. You know, both those things combined, I think the jerkiness of the reaching and what have you, just, yeah, I mean, it's no wonder why he was dealing with those, you know, the knee and the heel pain, in addition to his feet and fascial system and glute system not really working well together. His gait historically has been, you know, not good. So yeah, no pain. Like we say, he rolls before each workout, and he's not really had any issues as far as feeling any adhesions.
And rest. Good. Let's roll on the bottom of the foot and the calves.
Actually felt easier then.
How do you feel in the body?
Probably 7 in both glutes, and then 2 in the core, and then probably like 4 or 5 in the calves. I started to feel the calves around 4 minutes.
Okay, that's really good. That means your feet definitely has enough strength to engage for all 4 minutes. And you're feeling some core as well.
Yeah.
What's the score there?
2 or 3, pretty weak. Not
okay.
super strong.
I mean, that's fine. Later on, it's going to be very solid. So in the hardness in your glutes, right? Have you seen that it's on the rise?
Yes, actually I have. Yeah.
Is it solid, like completely solid right now?
Compared to what it was, yeah.
You can actually go completely solid with the glutes?
Yeah. When I really engage, yes. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, very good. So that's good. So what's gonna happen for your abs? It's going to go through the same journey as your glutes.
Awesome.
So what that means that you touch your glutes, right? How hard that is.
Yeah. Yeah.
That same type of physical firmness is going to go to your abs as well.
That's crazy. Yeah.
And they're going to connect together. When that happens, your body is very holistic. And this is how, like, these high level athletes, for example, in the UFC, you know, you see this a lot. Like they will just have people punch their stomach. They
Yeah.
feel nothing
Right.
because they're not just punching the stomach. They're punching the holistic fascia of that person. It's not going to
Right.
break through it
Uh-huh.
because of the connection from the core to the glutes cannot penetrate.